Difference between inline engine and V engine. Step 1. Cylinder arrangement. Inline engine, cylinders are arranged in a single straight line. V engine, cylinders are arranged in two banks at an angle, forming a V shape. Step 2. Size and compactness. Inline engine, longer and narrower, requiring more vertical space. V engine, shorter and wider, allowing for a more compact design. Step 3. Balance and smoothness. Inline engine, typically smoother due to natural balance in straight alignment. V engine may require counterbalances for smooth operation due to cylinder arrangement. Step 4. Power and performance. Inline engine, often used for smaller engines with fewer cylinders. V engine, preferred for larger engines with more cylinders to deliver higher power. Step 5. Manufacturing complexity. Inline engine, simpler design, easier to manufacture and maintain. V engine, more complex due to angled cylinders and additional components. Step 6. Applications. Inline engine, common in smaller vehicles like compact cars and motorcycles. V engine, found in high-performance cars, trucks, and luxury vehicles. Step 7. Cooling efficiency. Inline engine, easier to cool due to uniform cylinder alignment. V engine, requires more efficient cooling systems due to compact design. Thanks for watching.